Local news for Friday the 13th of March. Drought relief from the government has been extended to cover Wairarapa and Hawke's Bay regions, with $90,000 in funding available for local rural support trusts to assist primary sector communities, provide farm management advice and animal welfare support. The trusts have announced that experienced community enterprise executive Alan Pollard will be their new CEO. Mr Pollard has resigned from Trust House to take up the new position and will finish on the 31st of May. Training and career aspirations of Kylie Harris have been given a boost after she was awarded a Master in Lands Trust Tenant Apprentice Scholarship recently. 6 scholarships are available annually to apprentices working for tenants of the MTLT to assist them with industry training fees. And Wairarapa Spitfires under-13 baseball side have made the Wellington playoffs. This Sunday, they'll battle it out against Hutt Valley for a spot in the final. And the first pitch is due to go at 11 a.m. at the Kirarui College Diamond. And good luck to those taking part in that, and also in the Bidwell Cup final between Lansdowne and Red Star tomorrow. For local news and sports, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.